If I'm a newer investor and maybe I've started or maybe I'm just in funds now and I want to get into individual stocks, how do I go about building a portfolio? How do you build the foundations of a portfolio?
Well, I think it's a great question, and actually the best way to build a foundation for a portfolio, you have to get started somewhere, right? And so we recognize that. And what we do actually at Stock Advisor, for example, we have what's called the core. These are 10 stocks, 5 from each side of the card, where we feel like these are a great way for investors to get started in investments that are pretty solid, okay? They are a little bit of a lower risk profile, and that's intentional because we don't want investors to be scared away by something that's going to be more volatile or less certain. Now, nothing is certain in life, obviously, but with the core stocks, we focus on finding companies, we call them green circle businesses. And what we mean by that is we want them to be very easy to understand. We want you to understand how they make their money. So with Apple, for example, well, we know they make their money by selling off this premium hardware. Right? With Nike, we understand they make money by selling off this athletic gear. And so having companies that are easy to understand, we're looking for companies with global scale or at least worldly aspirations because we think that really maximizes their market opportunity. And we're looking for companies that still have really what we think the chance, we want them to have the chance to beat the market over the coming 5-10 years. So we're looking for companies that will offer investors a chance to beat the market, but by the same token won't overwhelm them from the very beginning. Whole Foods, I think, is very easy to understand because virtually everybody has to eat. I mean, everybody has to eat food and drink water and drink whatever. Everybody needs to go to the grocery store, and so it's a very familiar concept with most people. Whole Foods is rule-breaking in the sense that they're taking the whole organic food and natural food thing to a new level for us. But really, I think Whole Foods as a core stock, it's very easy to understand because they sell groceries, people get it, and that's how they make their money, by selling us groceries.
Mm-hmm.